When it's time to dig a trench, whether that's for a utility line, plumbing, or landscape job, the Vermeer RTX 250 pedestrian trencher is built to get the job done right. Its slender profile of 34.5 inches allows it to move through narrow yard gates, so you can access a variety of job sites. The RTX 250 comes with a 25 horsepower electronic fuel-injected engine, which offers high startability in a wide variety of temperatures and altitudes. This means issues normally associated with conventional carbureted engines, such as flooding, are eliminated. This engine has improved fuel economy over previous models and makes choke cables obsolete. As for digging dimensions, this machine can go deep and wide. The RTX 250 has a maximum digging depth capacity of 48 inches and a maximum digging width of 8 inches. Another great feature on this machine is the outboard bearing support. This provides protection for the head shaft and hydraulic motor when you're trenching in difficult conditions. The tracks on the RTX 250 deserve a special call-out. This trencher comes with rubber tracks, which offer optimal traction in soft, rocky, or muddy conditions. They also leave minimal ground disturbance. Another benefit of the RTX 250 is its high mount track design. This helps provide traction and minimizes ground disturbance even in varied terrain and unfavorable ground conditions. The next two features help save you time. First, let's talk about the VZ steering system. Instead of additional levers and steerable wheels, you can turn the machine using only the handlebars. And when you're in difficult terrain, the bars can help provide additional leverage. The other time-saving feature is the no-tool maintenance. The engine cover design on the RTX 250 offers virtually no tool access on all daily and weekly service points for quick service turnaround. And when the trench is dug and the product is installed, add the optional backfill blade to make filling in the trench more efficient. For projects that require a small bore under a sidewalk or other obstacles, the optional porta-bore can help you continue the trench while using the RTX 250 and not adding another machine to the job site. The RTX 250 is a versatile trencher that can be operated in and around tight areas and challenging ground conditions. Trench confidently, knowing your machine can get the job done well. For more information on the RTX 250, visit Vermeer.com or contact your local dealer.